How to download GTA San Andreas on your PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download GTA San Andreas on your PC. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Steam app. If you don't have the application, you can find it on any of the web browsers. So open it up and search for Steam Download. So go ahead and tap on it and search for Steam Download. Click on the first link that you see here and you're going to have to install the exe file first, and then that will help you install your entire application. Now after you've opened up the app, make sure that you are logged into your account. So what you're going to do now is go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for GTA San Andreas. And once you find this, you could just go ahead and select the GTA San Andreas. I've already added it to my cart, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on my cart right here. And as you can see here, you could just go ahead and select the game that you want to purchase and then click on continue to payment. Click on it, and then from here you have different options to pay from. So for example, if you want to pay with your Visa card, you can enter your card number here, enter the expiration date and your CVV here, enter all of your billing information, and then click on continue. After doing that, you should be able to purchase the game successfully. And once that is done, you'll find your purchased game in your library and you'll have this download option available here. So that's how you download GTA San Andreas on your PC. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.